Hello viewers, I am Venkat Rao Gaddam, stock market technical analyst. So today we'll see what happened in Nifty, Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty, all three major indices in NSE. So date is 14th November 2022. So first let us start with Nifty 15-minute chart. So today Nifty opened with minor gap up and the candle, first 15 minutes candle, after opening it was come down till 18,340 level and closing it was closed above yesterday's range. That means yesterday's high above it was closed for first 15 minutes candle, and second and third candles both were also closed above yesterday's high. So the thing is, when the gap up opened, first we need to understand in first 15 minutes itself whether this gap up will sustain or not. So generally, if we wait till first 15 minutes, closing is most important. If the close is closed above yesterday's range, it's good. And the second thing we need to understand that second 15 minutes candle should cross first 15 minutes candle. Then only we should take entry. So today it didn't happen actually. Second 15 minutes and third 15 minutes candles, it didn't close above or it didn't cross above first 15 minutes candles high, and both were formed as a inside candles. And after that, fourth candle was closed in the zone of yesterday's high and low. So now we can take short entry over here. When the candle closes in the yesterday's zone or yesterday's range, we can take the entries for short, and it was moved over here, and after that it was try to go upside also, but none of the candles were closed in the yesterday's high, on the top of yesterday's high. It tried to go upside, but these two candles, they didn't close above yesterday's high, and immediately market falls down. And here if we observe, there is a big game changer candle formed. That means in downtrend, the red candle high and low, if we observe the next candle, if it dominates that candle's high, so that means it would be a game changer candle. So from here to here there is a single trend, and after that around 2:30 time market was moved into downward direction. So this is about today's Nifty 15 minutes chart. So the range, whatever high and lows for today, it was about 80 points range only. So yesterday we predicted about 110 points range for Nifty, but today it's formed about 80 points range only. So today's high was about 18,399, and the low was 18,311. So if we observe the range, about 88 points range only it's formed, and whatever values, whatever levels we mentioned on Friday, system didn't touch these levels, either red zone level or green zone level, it didn't touch actually. So that is the power of mathematics. Today Nifty was formed with a small range trading day. So generally when the small range is formed, option buyers will get loss and option sellers, they will get money. So here system correctly identified the exact range for today. So it didn't cross above 18,400 and it didn't fall below 18,300. So either red point or green touch points, it didn't touch today. So luckily we escaped from the trading. So the range about 110 points we expected, but it was formed about 88 points range only. So as long as it was above 18,083 mark, we understand that market will go upside only. So today markets are in very strong bullish mode only. It even didn't touch 18,300 level. So that's why we can understand there is a huge support at 18,300 level. So coming to higher time frames, today Nifty formed a dark cloud cover candle. So generally dark cloud covers are most powerful in the upside uptrend. So when this dark cloud cover forms, so we need to be very careful in terms of trading and investments. So generally the behavior of dark cloud cover is, those who don't know about dark cloud cover, just I will take 2 minutes time. So first trend should be in up. So trend should be in up. So now the current trend of Nifty is in up. Second, suppose if we consider this is a first candle and this is a second candle. So first candle color should be in red and second candle color should be in green. And fourth and fifth points are very much important. So fourth point, it talks about second candle close or second candle open. And fifth point, it talks about second candle close. So the point is, second candle should be opened with a gap up. So second candle should be opened with a gap up. So today it's opened with a gap up. So if you observe this close and this open, it's a gap up. And gap up means generally second candle open should be greater than first candle's close. That is called gap up. So second candle open should be greater than first candle's close. And fifth point is talking about second candle's close. So the second candle's close should be minimum at 50% range of first candle's real body. So second candle close should be 50% of minimum 50% of first candle's real body. So the fifth point and fourth are most important. Fourth point is talking about second candle's open and fifth point is talking about second candle's close. If second candle's open is greater than first candle's close, then that is perfect point, valid point in terms of fourth condition. And fifth condition is talking about second candle's close. So second candle's close should be minimum at the 50% of first candle's real body. So all five conditions met, and this is a perfect dark cloud cover pattern. So generally these dark cloud covers will be formed at end of the downtrend, end of the uptrend. So Nifty is in uptrend currently. So we need to wait for the second candle's confirmation. So if it closes below the dark cloud cover tomorrow also, so temporarily the trend may be arrested. Maybe we may see some profit booking kind of things. So this is about Nifty 15 minutes and 1 day chart. And if we see Bank Nifty is also traded in a tight range. So today the range was about 266 points. So as per yesterday's prediction, we estimated that today's Bank Nifty range would be 335 points range. So comparatively all other previous 10 sessions, we estimated for today's, on Friday, whatever we estimated for today's session, we anticipated that 335 points range may be formed today, but today Bank Nifty range was about 260 points. It's very less range actually. So traders especially, they cannot trade with that small range. So if we see the touch points also, today's high was about 42,231. So it didn't touch any green point actually. And low was about 41,965. And today it was touched our red zone first point actually, 42,020 level. But market stayed almost 3 hours over there itself at 42,000 level. So none of the 15 minutes candles were closed below 42,000 in 15 minutes chart. So none of the candles closed below 42,000. So after 3-4 hours, market takes a small kind of uptrend. So today it would be the this is the game changer candle. So this game changer candle has given about 100 points or 150 points only. So no much range. So we cannot expect any kind of trading profits even in Bank Nifty. Anyway, we didn't get any opportunity to take trade in Nifty, but even Bank Nifty also, even if we got the opportunity at 42,000 level, but none of the candles were closed below 42,000 level, at least for 15 minutes. So it's almost all, it's invalid for trading also. It's very less range actually. If we see higher time frame, at least 1 day, so 2 days the bearish patterns were formed, and if we observe the previous day's session, previous day's candle, that is on Friday's candle, so it's a kind of a spinning top and dozy kind of candle formed. So generally this creates, these candles creates formed at end of the uptrends actually. So today also it's formed one bearish candle, and yesterday also it's one bearish candle formed. So we need to wait tomorrow's session also. So today's candle, it is inside candle. So whatever candle formed today, it's inside candle. So compared to yesterday's candle, today's candle is inside candle, and yesterday's candle is a mother candle, and today's candle is a baby candle. So tomorrow for intraday, the mother candle points are valid. So if mother candle points are getting crossed, then we can take trading decisions. But tomorrow's close is most important, and tomorrow's close we need to compare with child candle. So if tomorrow's close is closes above today's candle's high, then market may go in upward direction for few days. Suppose if tomorrow's close is less than today's low, then market may come some downward direction, at least few points like up to this level it may come down. So after 9 sessions, market was given a good breakout, but all these 3 days are formed in a red color candles. That means market is struggling to go upside. So we need to watch carefully whether that spinning top will be cleared or not. So tomorrow if it cleared, so definitely market may go upside towards 46,000 level. So this is about Bank Nifty. And if we see Fin Nifty, so the game changer candle would be this one, and when it crosses above this candle we can take positions. So today's low also indicates same point. So but if we see level based trading, so Bank Nifty range was expected about 150 points. So today it's formed about 142 points range. So comparatively Nifty and Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty has formed a good range for today, about 142 points. So compared to 150 points, it's 142 points is a good range. So if we see the high point and low point of Fin Nifty was 19,062 is today's high. So we anticipated if Fin Nifty crosses above 19,067, then it will go upside. But today's high was about 19,062. That means it didn't touch our green zone point. So we didn't get any upside or long side positions for Fin Nifty today. And if we see red zone point also, today's low was about 18,920. We have mentioned at 18,918 level. So we have mentioned it 18,918 level. Even downside also it didn't touch. So both in Nifty and Fin Nifty, as per our level based trading, today we didn't get any opportunity. So either red zone value or green zone value system didn't touch. So then we should avoid trading for that day. So both Fin Nifty and Nifty we didn't get any opportunity, but in Bank Nifty we get opportunity, but it didn't go even downward direction. So overall 3 major indices were formed in a tight range today. So at the end of generally at the end of upward direction or uptrend, So if it forms smaller ranges means there is a time to end that uptrend. So maybe we may expect, we may guess, or we may see, or we may confirm based on tomorrow's candle. So all three major indices formed are traded in a tight range today. So if we observe 1 day's candle in Nifty, here also it's a kind of inside candle, and this inside candle we cannot predict until the next candle confirmation. So for intraday we should refer the previous candle, that means mother's candles high and low points. And if it is for positional or next day's trading, tomorrow we need to watch whether that closing is today's greater than today's high or less than today's low. Based on that one only we can predict the next day's values. So that's all. This is about analysis for Nifty, Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty. And if we see some predictions for 15th November, so 108 points range we are expecting in Nifty, and 316 points range for Bank Nifty, and 147 points range in Fin Nifty for tomorrow's session. So 18,141 is indicating that there is a huge support for Nifty, and 41,550 is indicating huge support for Bank Nifty, and 18,681 is supporting for Fin Nifty actually. So that's all about all these green zone and red zone points and ranges, expected ranges also. And these are the high side expectation, and these are the lower side expectations. So this is about today's analysis. So we'll meet in tomorrow's analysis session. Thank you so much.